Hi everyone. I'm excited to share something truly close to my heart, the power of daily habits. Over the years, I've learned that true well-being isn't about grand gestures, but about the small, consistent choices we make each day. Today, I'll reveal the 10 daily health habits that have truly changed my life. These habits are simple, accessible, and most importantly, they work. So let's embark on this journey to a healthier, happier you together. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the health and happiness. For years, I was a notorious night owl, but discovering the magic of waking up early transformed my life. That quiet time before the world wakes up is now sacred to me. It's when I enjoy my coffee, gather my thoughts, and set my intentions for the day. Not only has it boosted my productivity, but it's also given me the time to connect with myself before the day's demands take over. Trust me, those early hours hold a special kind of magic. You don't need a fancy gym membership or a rigorous workout routine to reap the benefits of movement. A simple 30-minute walk every day can do wonders for your physical and mental well-being. I pop on my favorite playlist, lace up my sneakers, and head out into the fresh air. It's a time to clear my head, soak up some vitamin D, and just enjoy the simple pleasure of walking. In today's fast-paced world, finding moments of stillness is more important than ever. That's where meditation comes in. Now, I know the word meditation can seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be complicated. It can be as simple as finding a quiet corner, closing your eyes, and focusing on your breath for 5 to 10 minutes. Those few minutes of stillness have become my sanctuary, a way to quiet the mental chatter and find a sense of inner peace that carries me through the day. We've all heard the saying breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and let me tell you, it's true. Starting your day with a nutritious breakfast fuels your body and mind, setting you up for success. I love a breakfast that's packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Whether it's a smoothie, oatmeal with berries, or avocado toast, make sure you're giving your body the nourishment it needs to thrive. Yoga has been a transformative practice in my life. It's not just about the physical postures, it's about connecting your mind, body, and spirit. Through yoga, I found a new level of flexibility, strength, and inner peace. Even on my busiest days, I try to fit in at least 30 minutes of yoga. It's amazing how much more centered and energized I feel after a good session. Sleep is the foundation of good health and well-being. It's when our bodies and minds recharge and repair themselves. Yet, so many of us sacrifice sleep in our busy lives. I used to be guilty of it too. But I've learned that prioritizing 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep is essential. Create a relaxing bedtime routine for yourself. Dim the lights, put away your electronics, maybe enjoy a cup of herbal tea. Your body will thank you for it. In the midst of our hectic lives, we often forget to breathe deeply. But conscious, deep breathing is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to reduce stress and improve our well-being. Whenever you feel overwhelmed, just take a few moments to pause and practice deep belly breaths. Inhale slowly and deeply, filling your lungs completely, and exhale slowly, releasing any tension. Water is essential for life, yet so many of us don't drink enough of it. Staying properly hydrated keeps our bodies functioning optimally, from our digestion to our energy levels. Make it a habit to carry a reusable water bottle with you throughout the day and sip on it regularly. Not only will you feel more energized, but your skin will also thank you for it. Helping others is a powerful way to boost our own happiness and well-being. When we shift our focus outward and dedicate our time and energy to making a difference in the lives of others, something truly magical happens. Find a cause you're passionate about and volunteer your time. Whether it's at a local soup kitchen, animal shelter, or mentoring program, the experience will enrich your life in countless ways. Journaling has been a game changer for my mental and emotional well-being. Taking a few minutes each day to write down my thoughts, feelings, and experiences has allowed me to process my emotions, gain clarity, and cultivate self-awareness. Start by setting aside just 5 to 10 minutes each day to free write. Don't worry about grammar or punctuation, just let your thoughts flow onto the page. Incorporating these 10 daily habits into my life has been transformative, and I truly believe they can be for you too. Remember, you don't have to overhaul your entire life overnight. Start small, choose 1 or 2 habits that resonate with you, and make them a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. As you experience the positive effects, you'll be inspired to incorporate more. Remember, small habits can lead to big changes. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family.